The 360-degree propeller guard offers an added layer of protection for Mavic Mini. It is recommended to attach it when flying for the first time or in narrow or complex spaces. Mavic Mini's 360-degree propeller guard helps ensure worry-free flight, especially when flying for the first time or in narrow or complex spaces. How to attach the 360-degree propeller guard. Place the two pieces on a flat surface. The raised ends protect the front propellers. Unfold the aircraft arms. Tilt the aircraft and insert the front landing gear into the front end of the propeller guard. Keep the aircraft level and insert the rear arm into the rear end of the propeller guard. Lock the clips. You will hear a click when they are properly secured. Follow the same instructions to attach the other side of the 360-degree propeller guard. Detaching the 360-degree propeller guard. Unlock the clips on each arm. First, take the rear arms out. Then tilt the aircraft and remove the front arms. The weight of Mavic Mini with the 360-degree propeller guard attached will be more than 250 grams. Please always check your local laws and regulations carefully before flying.